Okay guys, this is stage 2 of trying to get this Traxxas Rally Slash to 70 miles an hour. Are you recording?
Yeah.
We don't need a mic.
I mean, it's gonna be a little challenge to figure out what fits and what doesn't. The bottom. Yeah.
Dad.
I got new gear for the slipper clutch too, remember?
Oh yeah. Mom, because I want it.
Lightly. That doesn't have to. Now we can put this thing back in place. Okay. It's gonna be your only car with stock arms. Stock arms?
No. You can probably get RPM. Okay. That's what I thought.
Be nice if those were. Okay.
I'm checking it.
Why check it? Just throw in the thing. But we can put Loctite on it. I think get it all the way out. I heard the NWA Raceway is closing. Mm-hmm.
So basically what it is through a blindfold.
That's actually so much better going.
Do this again and we know that just stay on high. Oh. I think we want this thing reaching.
What if you have the receiver box still in place? Then does it work still? First.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Just in case you want to put a massive motor. Goes like that. I think then you might try to twist it or something.
So we know if.
Oh, yeah. Well, why don't we just cut some of this?
Let me see this one. Because turn it.
Will it move all the way back? First, what we did is we threw this giant motor in it, almost doubled the size of this Traxxas Millennium motor. It came in a combo, so we also got this super sweet, humongous ESC. Now, with this humongous ESC, we did have to put the receiver up top here. Just so, I mean, you could try to fit it down here, but you'd have to do a lot of dremeling and stuff. We put the on and off switch right here. Now, another thing we did with this, putting this massive motor in it, we changed this spur gear from a 54 spur gear to a 50. And then we also changed the pinion from like a 19 to like a 27. So it is pretty big. We also have put in this metal drive shaft instead of this plastic one. You do have to get the front version of this little connector that goes in, because on the plastic one it's already made into this, but the metal one it's not. Then also to fit the bigger 4S pack we got for it, you also have to get the extended mount to fit the bigger pack. So that's original, and then we just stepped it up. Now, also, there was a little bit of body roll when we did first initially test it. So just to level that out and make it so we had as minimal body roll as possible, we did end up throwing these sweet sway bars. We put the black ones on and stuff. So let's see how it performs.
That's just freezing on the inside, okay?
Okay guys, so we did 61 miles an hour on this SMC3S, which we'll link in the description. Now we're gonna go and see if we can reach our goal, which is 70 miles an hour on this 4S. Go.
The front lift off?
No.
Yeah, front wheels lifted off.
Let's go back a little. Okay, so we just got it inside after ripping it. Now, one of these tires did blow off the bead, which is what I thought was gonna happen. Now, we got lucky and the tire didn't rip, it just blocked the bead, so all I have to do is throw some tire glue on it. Also, yeah, let's see how fast it went. "63 miles an hour. Now, I feel like this thing could have gone way faster, but we really only got to like maybe 3/4 the power, because anytime you try to punch it past that point, the tires expand so much that you really can't even drive it. And also, because you couldn't even drive it, we hit it straight into the rock and it just dented the whole thing. Now we did pop it back out, but it's pretty smashed up. So I think for stage 3, we're gonna get some hoons, possibly GTR shocks, hoons, GTR shocks. Now to run the hoons, we're gonna try these Traxxas adapters, and the Traxxas adapters might be able to get us 17mm hubs on this car. So we can run Hoons, see how much faster we can get it. And yeah.
You want us to do a thanks for watching? See y'all next time.
Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. No, I don't like that. No, let's do okay. Alright. Ready?
Yep.
Alright, so see you in stage 3. No, that was even worse. What should we do?
I don't know. How about thanks for watching. See you next time. Is that motor hot?
Yes. I don't burn myself though. I mean, it gave me a little tingle in the finger, but.
All right. You gonna shut this thing down?
No, we're just gonna keep it running.
Cool.